How to export video in BN Video Editor application. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more video like this. Go to BN application. First, we need to create a project by tap the plus sign button below and tap the new video and select the video you want to use. So for my example, I use this one of my video. Tap the next button below to insert the video on your project. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to export this project and save to your gallery. So to export this project, so this is an example only. So tap the export button on the upper right side on your screen. And now you can see here the settings. You can set the auto or manual on the menu. And for my example, I use manual. So I set the resolution into 4K. And the FPS is set into 60. And the average bitrate is set into 50. And now we have successfully set the settings of this video. And after that, to export, tap the export button below. And wait a couple of seconds to export or exporting this project to your gallery. After finish, tap the done button and go to your gallery. And we have successfully export this project and save to your gallery. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and see you for my next video.